Welcome back to our YouTube channel Vridivej Finance. We are from India, and guess what? Nvidia Corporation. Enticing analysis by Vridivej Finance on Nvidia Corporation is with us, and that's all about. It's like when you see Vridivej Finance, you will see an opportunity to come back from your setback. I hope so, and grow with the companies. I know that the all companies do positive, negative things. But Nvidia is previously into graphic, but right now the AI has really literally increasing. So, Nvidia is the biggest company which is doing a great in AI world, and because of AI world, Nvidia is even in gaming. So it's like they are having two umbrella. One is AI, one is gaming, and almostly the tech companies, all our tech companies are doing better as of now. Even the market is collapsing, but the if you see, the market has not collapsed it, but they have given the sometimes unexpected results. So you can check our YouTube channel where we are talking about Nvidia. The Nvidia doesn't perform very well, the stock, but if we see this stock will have a good hope. See, Vridivej Finance is all about money making, saving money, and keep investing money in the stock at any age. And see, suppose we don't bother about your setbacks. We don't bother about your problems. Everybody have ups and downs in the life. So similarly, if you check Nvidia stock in the last 10 years, that is quite different. But today's the performance, today's their strategy, how the tech world has they have changed it is it challenging for the whole world, because Nvidia, we will come back with the other also. But if you see, if you want to flip in the life, then absolutely you need a strategy. So it's all about Nvidia strategy. So market, it's a Vridivej Finance is not certified by any organization, just providing a statistic based on the chart analysis, all about study, case study basically. On the purpose of money, you can earn money at any age. We would like to help to do some providing some stat. Might be it goes wrong, might be it comes true. As a human error, okay, we are not machines, we can give it to you exactly numbers. So but yeah, if you see, last week we have given then not last week, I think 15 days back we have given. Last week we have not uploaded any sort of videos about Nasdaq analysis. Nasdaq has literally failed. We were expecting somewhere 1,000 marks above, 1,000 points above, but unfortunately it wouldn't happen. In the last 15 days there is always different geopolitics, etc, etc. It's all about the world is going, people are not with the same thought process. But here is the investing at right stock right time is very important, and exit from that stock is also very important, because life is not marathon, life is unpredictable as like a stock market, and stock market is always give volatility to everyone. So enticing overview of the Nvidia Corporation available with Vridivej Finance is absolutely giving you fantastic idea about whether this stock is really going to perform well or not. Today's this so Nvidia Corporation, today's the stock has given uh, the pick of whole year is and that 200, it has gone above 200 and above USD per stock. Nvidia corporation has not that much performed very well. It's 198.45 USD per stock. So Nvidia has literally working hard. Probably next 2 to 3 years down the line, this stock will perform. But right now, we were expecting this stock will fall down. So for falling target, you had to follow our hot equity. Nvidia is having new projects on their milestone. So probably they need investment from the market. Okay. So it's all about the stock. So Nvidia will give you momentum. Yeah, they will give it to you momentum, but they will not give you 1000 USD per stock very quickly. See, best you can immediately find some short-term gain in this stock, as Vridhvij Finance says. Nvidia is one of the top company. We will not talk about the CEO, what he is talking. So it's all about the companies. 6 trillion. This is Nvidia is a 6 trillion company. But the company will bring it everything on your table immediately. No, because tech company perform not in a single night. They perform like they have strategy, they have implementation, they have product and result, and then they will outperform. So Nvidia will outperform right now. They need little bit more time according to Vridhvij Finance. So hope you will like it, our video where we will give it to you hot equity, another series for target of particular stock. This is all about enticing, means like briefing about, it's entertaining basically. It's not a flipping. Okay, I really appreciated your precious time with us. I'm really grateful for my audience who's spending a time on our YouTube channel watching our old videos. Even I'm thankful to all of them who's watching our old videos. And thank you, Bhavradvej Finance. Hope you will love our videos in nearest future, even while revising, repeating. I don't understand why the people are watching old videos which is just about the briefing about the companies. Even that is quite strange. If anybody knows the reason, let me know into the comments, and absolutely we will bring something more than that on this platform. Hopefully you will love it. I guess everyone want relaxing time, so chill guys, to all of you.